a short tour of an ARB room. We call this side the living room. And as you can see, we got some cheap carpet from Home Depot to make it cozy. Over here we have our 2 chairs. And right here we have our tech bag with all our camera stuff. A little footstool for my husband. And we're very close to the restrooms here. But for nighttime pottying, this collapsible bucket, if I need to pee or do something more and I don't want to walk over there, we have a collapsible table, my packing, hiking boots, my fanny pack, which I always use when camping, and because my back hurts, I put this one of my pillows there so I can sit better ergonomics. Our dog bed. We have this big water bowl for the dogs because the collapsible ones just tip over. This is very grippy on the bottom too. Over here in these pockets, I keep mostly dog things. Leashes, harness, jackets. These are like their plates and their water cup, water bottle, leashes, my work gloves. Right now we're charging this iPad, and that's my laundry. My husband laundries on the other side. Because I'm short, I need this stuff to actually get in, but I'm not gonna open this door because the dogs are in there right now. This is our very nice ice cold cooler. These are just like accessories that I need, like my glasses, clear ice, just stuff like that. Just personal comfort. Over here, it's a bag with all the dog stuff that we carry always in the car with us. And in here, in this Coleman cooler, is very cool. Let's see, we have a fire pit that we didn't get to use this time, but we'll use it next time. So it goes like that, and there. And this is extra cool. I can't wait to use this. And that's the tour of the living room, which is my side. I sleep on the right side of the camper because I'm right-handed, and my husband sleeps on the left side of the camper because he's left-handed. And this rug was a rug that didn't work out in my house. I got it at Home Goods, and it's just like really great for this. Heavy enough not to blow away, easy to shake. If I want to host it at home, it's very easy to do. So I highly recommend the rug so you can keep your tent or your ARB room clean.
This is the kitchen. It's another ARB room, and I'll show you around. We'll start over here. So this is the side I sleep on inside the camper. I keep some snacks on the fender here, and my laundry bag and my jacket. A lot of times I don't like to keep the jacket out here because it might get humid, but the weather hasn't been too humid here. This is the leash to walk the dogs. Headlamp so I can go outside at night to walk the dogs. And then my toothbrush and toothpaste right here. These are just some more camping pants. And then
Show them the pea jar.
yeah, that's the pea jar. In the middle of the night, it's too cold to walk all the way to the bathroom, so we have the chemical powder in there so that it doesn't smell. Over here is the kitchen. The main part of this is this giant folding table, and it has a lot of shelves, it has a lot of counter space, and a lot of storage places. We use the Jetboil Genesis system. It's got 2 burners, uses the little propane bottles, and it came with 2 pots, a small pot and a large pot, and it came with 1 lid, but we decided to buy a second lid, and then we just pack it with all the Jetboil stuff. On the first shelf here, this is where I keep the dishes and cooking utensils. In this basket is where I keep the pans and the Jetboil stuff. This basket is all the dry goods. We call it the pantry. I have a bunch of spices here on the table because this is what we cook with. If I move this, there's actually there's a sink below here. I guess you gotta unlock it. Let's lift it a little bit, but you can see that there's a sink in here. So if I had a fresh water supply, then I could set it up to use it like a sink, but we just keep a gallon of water here like this. And then under here is where I keep all the snacks. Got chips and fruit and bread. Yeah. But yeah, we don't, in the other room we have a space heater, but in this side it actually gets warm when I'm cooking, and so I don't really need the space heater, because we're only on this side when we're cooking breakfast or making coffee or something, and we kind of warm up with the heat of the Jetboil. So yeah, and that's the kitchen.